The Riverlands Migratory Bird Sanctuary in West Alton, Missouri is the location of a partnership where the St. Louis District, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers is working with the Missouri Department of Conservation to use the gates on the dams on the Mississippi River to mimic conditions by modeling a way to recreate the desired velocity needed for spawning of the state endangered Lake Sturgeon species. Sturgeon have a history of overharvest for various uses, but especially for their flesh and caviar, which has led to smaller wild populations. These megafauna mature at a slow rate, which makes rehabilitation of the species difficult. Sadly, dams can restrict sturgeon along their natural migration routes, therefore, mitigation efforts are needed to best serve the nation and protect fish populations. The decline of this endangered species is being fought with several approaches. Many are helping the lake sturgeon through protection from fishing, reestablishing self-sustaining populations, habitat improvement, and river management to provide more of the areas these fish need to survive. Lake sturgeon can live 80 to 100 years and grow to 8 feet and 300 pounds. Their ancestors swam at the foot of the wading dinosaurs and survived continental drift, asteroid strikes, ice ages, and the fishing nets of Native Americans and European pioneers. Lake sturgeon are a cold water species. Female sturgeons don't spawn until they are 25 years old and only spawn every 4 years on average. Sturgeon spawn definitely focuses more on quantity than quality. One female can lay up to 700,000 eggs, but usually only 1 in 50,000 of them will ultimately survive. Despite their name, lake sturgeon are found in rivers as well as lakes. The lake sturgeon is a state endangered species in Illinois and Missouri. And in 2015, lake sturgeon were observed spawning in the Melvin Lock and Dam tailwater. This site became the first confirmed lake sturgeon spawning location in Missouri.
Hi there, my name is Ryan Swearingen. I'm a wildlife biologist with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers here at Riverlands Migratory Bird Sanctuary. Today we're at the Melvin Lock and Dam. We're in the tailwater where the discharge comes out. And we are looking at some lake sturgeon eggs. You can see a few on the rock right here in front of me. Over the last weekend, so April 23rd, a lot of female lake sturgeon have deposited these eggs along the shoreline here. And this is a pretty big deal because this is a state endangered species in both Missouri and Illinois. And this is only the second time in modern history that this has been documented in Missouri. And both times it's happened here in the Mel Price tailwater. This is a partnership project that we have with the Missouri Department of Conservation, where we've been monitoring for lake sturgeon here along the shoreline. So we're really pleased to see them spawning and doing their thing.
The Nature Conservancy's Sustainable Rivers Program is an ongoing national program that increases environmental benefits already built into water resource projects. Through this program, biologists from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers are working with the Water Control and Hydraulics Division to create river models of river conditions. The temperature, substrate, and water velocity are constantly measured during the spawning season, and the gates on the dams are adjusted to create the desired flow patterns. When the first report of sturgeon spawning at the Melvin Lock and Dam was noticed, the Rivers Project Office contacted the Missouri Department of Conservation biologist who had been working with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service to reintroduce and monitor lake sturgeon. A grant from the Sustainable Rivers Program was used to purchase equipment, which included fish tags and electronic VR2W receivers that are located up and down the river. These receivers electronically survey the tagged lake sturgeon that are of reproductive size. The data is stored inside the receiver until it is downloaded to a laptop. This information, along with the day-to-day work of coordinating the water flowing through the gates at the dam, is providing beneficial to spawning of the lake sturgeon. The goal of this program is to have a successful population recovery and have a viable reproductive population. Currently, the species is maintained by fertilized eggs raised to fry and fingerlings from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service's Genova National Fish Hatchery in Wisconsin, and then stocked in the Mississippi River. And for the Missouri River, hatchlings are raised in the Missouri Department of Conservation's Lost Valley Fish Hatchery in Warsaw, Missouri. Through this partnership, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and the Missouri Department of Conservation plan to continue with a systemic approach for continued spawning success.